You set up parental controls, you blocked the bad sites. You thought you were done. Your kid downloaded a free VPN, and in 30 seconds, every rule you made disappeared. Here's why. A VPN creates a private tunnel through your network. Your router, the device you configured, never sees what's inside that tunnel. It can't block what it can't read. The real problem isn't the VPN, it's the management gap. Most parents protect the network at the router level, but the device itself has no rules. That gap is exactly what kids exploit. And before we talk about what works, here's what doesn't. Blocking sites at the router? VPN bypasses it entirely. Browser-level filters? Useless if they switch browsers or use an app, relying on the school's network controls. They go home. The controls don't. These methods alone are no longer enough. AnySecura gives you controls that can't be climbed over. Not router-level rules that a VPN can tunnel through. Controls that live on the device itself. You decide when screens are allowed. Late at night, during homework, during dinner, the device simply doesn't open those doors. You go from hoping your settings are working to actually knowing. Take 5 minutes to set up, and after that, you'll actually know your kids are safe. Not hope, no.